India is set to inaugurate its longest LPG pipeline. Now, this pipeline would run from Kandla in the west coast in Gujarat to Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. What is the main idea of this pipeline? This pipeline would be nearly 2,800 kilometers long, and the existing 5,000 kilometers of pipeline which is already there in India, this would be a major addition. Now, through this pipeline, we would understand that there would be a significant reduction in road fatalities and road accidents. Recently, two important ones were witnessed. One was in the region of Jaipur, the other was in Coimbatore, and both of these could have been avoided through this LPG pipeline corridor. Now, this aims to actually handle 8.3 million tons of LPG and 25% of the total LPG which goes through the pipeline. Again, it's important to note that through this project, which was said to start at its 100% by June, get commissioned by March 2025, would be one of the major projects which would be released, and through this 70% of the bottling plants would be in line with it. Now, the main idea is through this piping there would be less congestion, less traffic on road, and less danger and less chances of road fatalities. So very improved version of transporting LPG in India is through the pipeline structure, and development in this pipeline structure, which is at a cost of nearly $1.3 billion, has been very important in development and transports in India. So very important topic, highly important for your prelims as well as for your optional geography. We will be bringing many such important topics for you in the upcoming classes. Kandla and Gorakhpur, the map location again becomes important in this way. So wish you good luck and thanks for joining in.